After 500 brewing cycles, all indicators will flash for 5 times, which means that the machine needs descaling. 3 descaling methods are available. Open 1 packet of descaling agent. Empty 1 sachet into 1.2 liters of kettles. Stir to dissolve. Leave to stand for 5 minutes. 1. Pour the solution into the water tank. Turn on the machine and wait for it to preheat. 2. After preheating, place a 600 milliliters cup on the drip tray. 3. Press the double cup button once and make about 100 milliliters of hot water. Leave the descaling solution in the appliance for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, repeat the third step for 3 times. Repeat the third step for 2 times with tap water to the max level. This time, there is no need to wait for 5 minutes. After finishing descaling, you need to cancel the descaling warning. Press the steam button for 3 seconds.